Hey, what's up guys, PATTAY'S from checking. Just a little bit of an update. I've been getting a lot of messages about a few things. I know what you guys are all anxious about. It's on the back of Mandingo. I've been so busy, blessed, that I haven't even touched it. It's still in the back of the truck. But let me show you what's been going on. All right, looking out here. Honda is fully loaded. We're gonna be double dipping on some deliveries. Here you go. Pick this up. Still doing snow blower repairs. Good news. Pray to Jesus. Come on. Come on, baby. Looks good, looks good. So the thing is that I've been telling you all this time, I've got 2-3 snowblower repairs to go, and then I'm all caught up and free and clear. The problem is, if you want to call it a problem, is that as soon as I repair a snowblower for someone, or even any machine that I sell, hey listen, wherever you found me, post your positive experience with me. If it's not positive, let me know right while I'm here, and we can iron stuff out. And then you can post a positive review or whatever you guys want to call it. And people have been doing that, and I've been staying busy. So that's the real tough thing between, that's the real tough thing between fixing and flipping and then repairing. You know, that when we do a lawn tractor, right, it's drop everything and get it in and get it out. And with the first lawn tractor, that was successful. Okay, I dropped everything and I put off repairs, and that's why it took a little longer to get the next one in. And I had no intentions of buying the lawn tractor, but an opportunity came and I just had to grab it. So there's a little update what's going on. We had a couple of personal deadlines that I needed to meet. One was a serious deadline, and we made it. The other ones are kind of personal deadlines. And I think you have to kind of set deadlines or ambitions or goals, and that will, you know, push and motivate you to get stuff done. So I'm just gonna give just a quick little update. I needed to hit the reset button like mentally. And I'm gonna show you a picture of my garage. And then here's the good picture. So that helped me out, you know, a lot. I've just been so busy coming home from work, getting stuff done and just shoving stuff back in the garage so I can get to sleep and rinse and repeat. So I just needed to do that. I know you guys will be proud of that. And yeah, like I said, we got some deadlines to meet. I'm trying to get as much as I can do to get that done. Listen, if I don't get everything I need to get done to those deadlines, my life doesn't change, but these are little personal goals I need to get done. So I'll hit you guys up with a real upload at some point. Maybe Friday, maybe Saturday after our live. And then we'll go back to our regular scheduled uploaded. When I do tractors, I just want to kind of give you guys that sense of live feeling that when I do get a tractor, our upload schedule is thrown out the window, if it hasn't been already, and I'll try and keep you guys current with what we're doing. So hope you guys are doing well. It's been an absolute monster disaster of like a heat wave, but it is what it is. That's the line of work that I choose, so I want no sympathy, but I hope you guys are doing well and continue to take care of each other. Mrs. Pattay's Performance has been doing a phenomenal job doing so with me. So yeah, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for letting me vent a little bit. Hope you guys are doing well, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, guys, later. All right, guys, I just want to do one quick little thing. Pickup and delivery. We spoke about this, but maybe because I've shown you guys back on the Honda, I charge for that. Flat fee, not flat fee. Prices start at $25 for pickup and delivery. At my discretion after that, I increase it. That is a luxury. Mandingo costs a lot of money to run and drive and operate. The Honda, we're playing catch up, okay? So, and when people ask about stuff like that, I ask them, do you work for free? And they say no. So I don't work for free. Why do I do that? I don't like using the words free. I like to use the words courtesy. Courtesy, because courtesy means it's afforded to that person and not potentially to somebody else as free. I think free is like a dirty word. Now, now it's funny with pickup and delivery fees, believe it or not, that goes in a separate pile per se, and that pile is for vehicle maintenance. Whatever money I make for pickup and delivery goes right into that pile. If I need to order parts or something comes up vehicle related, it comes from there. And if we have to inject cash from another fund to put in there, that's fine. That's just the way it is. Technically, these cars should be paid for themselves because I fix and flip everything I get. I have to take one of these vehicles out to get everything I own and resell. So that's why I don't have any problems taking money from other places. Plus, it's our vehicle. So I got some decisions to make today. It's either work on a lawnmower, work on a snowblower, tackle that.
I've been flying from town to town.